Dear wee Mac, remember when our aunt took you to Edinburgh Castle as a wee toddler? Well, when you're older, you'll step through the gates again as part of a team looking after its history. How did I make it here? First of all, focus on your art and history in school. It'll come in really handy in the future. In high school, you'll fall in love with painting and art class, and even as a labourer, you'll find the time to help out the painters you work alongside. Those experiences, as well as chatting with our uncle who's a painter, will lead you here. All those days working on sites as a labourer were just the beginning. I've been involved in so many incredible projects already. I've helped restore canons on the Half Moon battery, conserving the metal and seen the newly painted canons reinstalled. It was a moment of real pride. And it won't just be Edinburgh Castle, you'll get to work at Holyrood Palace and even preserve the metal on the Roll of Honour's casket in the Scottish National War Memorial, the grand casket memorialising the soldiers lost to World War I. The skills you'll learn will help maintain Scotland's story, not just for now, but for generations to come. Knowing that tourists from all over the world get to experience Scotland's heritage because of what we do, it's humbling. To anyone out there wondering if they can do something like this, trust me, you can. So to my younger self, keep following your curiosity, because one day you'll call Edinburgh Castle your workplace and it will be an honour. My name is Mackenzie, and I'm an apprentice painter and decorator based here at Edinburgh Castle. I make history.